This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, after trading session for the Nifty for May 23rd, 2019. This is the US market trading in the morning with about 40 minutes to go before the open. Markets are called down slightly. All right, let's take a look here at the Nifty. This is going to be a follow-up to a video I did, I believe, 2 days ago. So I'm going to link this video in the description of the video, and what I was talking about in the previous video was this number here, which is the previous daily closing high, which I believe remains relevant. So let's go to the current chart. We can see that we are still within testing or either confirming a breakout above 2018's August daily closing high. And so right now, even with the last trading session, we can see for a moment there the market was trading above this level, but by the close of the session was below. And again, just to be clear, let me give you that level again, and that is at 11. So 11738.50, and this goes back to the close here. So right now we are seeing a failed breakout, and that's the point. As long as we are trading below this number, this means that there's a likelihood that this market resolves by going lower. Don't forget that we are also looking at other parameters, so you can watch the previous video. We can see possibility of resistance based on the RSI stalling around the RSI 61.8. And again, for more information, take a look at the previous video. So this seems to be the case here. We have a failed breakout as of right now. Again, this is just as of right now. Of course, the market can attempt to break out again, but right now, failed breakout, failure to hold above RSI 69.1 on the daily is pointing to the possibility that more than likely a pullback is in store. Take a look at the 2 hourly. And again, on the 2 hourly, a couple of observations we can see here on an hour-to-hour basis, and this is the 2 hourly. What we see here is there's an improvement in prices. We can see this comes with lower RSI levels, so definitely that's negative divergence. We can also see that coming off the recent hourly high here, that this is where we broke down on the RSI right here. So we can take that breakpoint and draw our uniformity line. There should be a link in the description of this video explaining the uniformity method, which is my own method. And we can see here we've gone above the line twice with uniform action. The uniform action is the key. When you put all of this together, the daily and the 2 hourly, this is suggesting more than likely that this market is leaning for movement lower. And one other observation is if you take this 2 hourly high here and draw a line, we can see as of right now, this is also turning into a failed breakout on the 2 hourly. So a couple of failed breakouts here, failure to hold above that level. Here, ultimately, this fails, and now we are seeing another failure in the last trading session. We'll see how it goes. Again, there should be some links in the description of the video. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS.